welcome back to my channel. My name is Delia Mireya. Here on my channel, I share with you guys cleaning videos and lifestyle videos as well. For this video, Happy New Year. I would like to say Happy New Year to everyone. I wish you guys the best, many blessings for this new year, 2022. I can't believe I'm saying this, 2022. I guess everyone says this, time goes by so fast. For this video today, I will be sharing with you guys a cleaning video. I have a mess everywhere, and I don't know about you guys, but after Christmas, the holidays, all of that, even after Thanksgiving, like my house started getting disorganized. I started leaving things everywhere because I was always in a hurry. Family gatherings and all of that. I would just cook and then kind of wash the dishes, and things were left in many places in my home. So for today, I'm going to be picking those things up, cleaning, and trying to organize a little bit. I'm going to try and get the most I can do today. I'm gonna start with the kitchen and dining room area, since these are the areas in my home where if you were ever to come to my house, it's like right when you walk in, you can see my mess here. And in case we have any guests or visitors, anyone who comes to our house, I don't want them to see this mess, all this stuff everywhere. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys a quick overview of what my messiness looks like, the things that are all over the place. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Friends, does that happen to you guys, that you guys get backed up after the holidays? If you're hosting Thanksgiving, that's what happened to me. I don't know, I guess I lost some motivation as well. Like I had no motivation to keep cleaning or to keep things organized, and that really backed me up so much, because till this day I'm still cleaning and organizing things that I just started leaving all over the place. And I know it doesn't look as messy, but there are areas in my home that, I don't know, I just lost the motivation to keep cleaning, I guess. I would just, yeah, of course, I would pick up my kitchen, wash my dishes, but then other things like for my pantry or in the closet, in the bathroom, I would just throw everything back in there. I had family over and I just wanted to dedicate time to them. Till this day, I'm still cleaning. And that's why I haven't posted this video and even shared this video with you guys, because I hadn't even had the time to edit. I've been cleaning so much, washing clothes. Like I had piles and piles. I think all of my clothing that we have in the closet, I had to clean and wash and iron and all that stuff. Like if you were to ask me, what have you been doing all these days or all these past few weeks or for the month of January? I've just been cleaning, you guys. That's what I've been doing. Oh, you know what? I did share all these marathon videos with you guys of cleaning. So if you need that motivation to clean and you want to get to it, make sure you check out my channel and watch my marathon videos, because there are plenty of them, more than 3-hour videos, many videos that I shared with you guys. I mean, that's all I've been doing, cleaning and cleaning and cleaning here at home. I am a stay-at-home mom of one, and it's enough, right? It's enough cleaning. I don't know how other moms do it that have more kids. I just look up to them and I'm like, wow, they really get it all done, and they look like they're the perfect moms, that they have everything so neatly organized and feed their children, their family, or cook, and you know what I mean, right? That they do the whole cleaning, cooking, and washing of the clothes, and they get it all done. How do they do it? I keep saying that I'm gonna wake up early. The earliest that I wake up is at 7 a.m. because my son has school, so that's the time that I usually wake up. But I keep telling myself I'm gonna go to sleep earlier, and I'm not gonna go to sleep as late. I don't know, I guess I'm just venting here, and I was in a grumpy mood, friends, maybe 2 weeks ago, where I was like, I'm always cleaning, I'm always doing this and that and cooking 3 times a day, cleaning, washing dishes. I felt like I've had it. I don't know. Do you guys ever have like those mom meltdowns? I had one of those. I was like, I'm always doing so much, and I don't have time to film these videos, because for the past few weeks, this video was, I think, the 2nd week of January. But for the past few weeks, that's all I've been doing. Cleaning, and cooking for my family, and I feel like I don't even have time to film all the videos that I'm cleaning. I just don't have the time to do it, because it does take up more time when you're filming and cleaning. So, and I'm all over the place. Sometimes I'm cleaning here and then I forget to put something else. Like I'm walking to the dining room area and I'm like, oh, I have dirty dishes there. So I'm walking back and forth. and it's kind of hard to move the camera back and forth, so I hadn't been filming these past weeks of the month of January, but I did film this video. And after I filmed this video, I think it was the next day, where I'm like, you know what, it's time to take off my Christmas tree. So I did take down my Christmas tree, and I did a time-lapse video, which I'll share at the end of this video, along with this video. I didn't even put so many Christmas decorations this year because I didn't have so many things, because I wanted everything to combine with the blue and silver and white, and I didn't have decorations that combined it, so I didn't put too many things out this year. So it was pretty easy to clean up. You'll be seeing that later on in the video. That's all I've been up to. Sometimes when I would see like my friends at store or anywhere, they're like, hey, what have you been up to? Well, this is what I've been up to. I'm very blessed, right, to be a stay-at-home mom, because I did have a lot of cleaning to do, and I'm like, oh, this is too much for me. It was, you guys, and it seems like it's not a lot, but once like you have to wake up and make breakfast and then wash dishes and then clean up and then do it all over again, over and over and over again, and when things start getting disorganized, like I was stressed about it. And I'm sorry if I'm like the only person out there that feels this way, but I'm hoping I'm not the only mom out there. And I look up to other moms and I'm like, how do they do all this? How do they clean? And how am I not able to do it all? This is my life. This is what I've been doing, and just cleaning, you guys. This is what I do all day. So yeah, friends, I'm hoping that we can grow this year a bigger community on my channel. I've been doing these cleaning videos for more than a year now. My channel is stuck. It's just there and it's not moving in views or subscribers or income. So I was thinking of going back to work, but then it's hard to go back to work and then to have to pay childcare if that's your case. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep doing what I do, and then just, I don't know, hope for the best. Hopefully this channel grows a bit. And I mean, everyone has debt, right, and bills to pay. So I was hoping that I would make a little bit more income this year, because my income is very, very low on this channel. And I don't even know why I'm sharing this with you guys. I guess if there are other people out there that feel the same way, not necessarily with YouTube, but I don't know, with work, I don't know, just sometimes life can be a bit stressful. So I'm trying to take it easy, and I'm trying to keep working. Yeah, I mean, this is a hobby, what I do, but I really would want this to be my job. I mean, who doesn't want YouTube to be their job? And it's not easy, you guys. I've been in YouTube for over 11 years or 12 years, and my channel has never grew. So I don't know, I was sticking with the cleaning videos, and I don't know, I just hope for the best for this year and pray that this year goes well for everyone watching this video and the whole world out there, because life's not easy. Things haven't been easy for a lot of people, and I'm just hoping and praying that this year 2022 is good for the whole world. Usually I'm talking about the way I'm cleaning and the cleaning products that I'm using, but right now I'm just venting about other things. I'm sorry if this video is not helping you in any way. I'm sorry. I do apologize for that. I don't know, this is the mood I'm feeling today and what I wanted to share with you guys out there. And I'm usually the kind of person that always brings people up. I try to motivate people, and I'm just having one of those days, right, where I'm feeling down myself. I'm gonna try and make the best out of today's day. Life is too short to just be sad and stressed all the time, right? So let's be happy. Thank God every morning for another day, and I hope and pray the best for you guys as well. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna be taking off now. I hope that this video motivates you guys just by watching, right? Watching me clean. I hope that it motivates you guys to get cleaning as well. Get organized, and I'm trying to do that. I mean, last year I tried a whole bunch. I tried to organize my closet, pantry, here and there, and I think I did a good job. It's just that I need to stick to it and keep it organized. Well, thank you guys so much for watching once again. May God bless each and every one of you guys. I will be leaving now, because if not, I'm just gonna be repeating myself. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.